Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. I'm going to do a DIY, but before I do that, I am going to try this new cordless glue gun that I got. I am unboxing it, but not really. I've already had it unboxed, but I wanted to show you guys because you always ask me about the guns that I use. This one is called Go Nova, and it is an inexpensive cordless glue gun that charges with a little C. And what else do we have here? Oh, that's because I already opened it. This is the charger. This is the glue gun. And this is the charger that it sits on. So if it's plugged in, it's going to be charging as long as you have the C port plugged in. And then it uses the little glue sticks. I haven't used little glue sticks in forever, so we will see how that works. And then all you do, I'm gonna turn this on so we could see how fast it charges and heats up. But all you do is plug that in, plug this one into a USB, and then, like I said, every time you have it on the holder, it is working for you. And so that holds your glue gun just like that. And then we're going to get these glue sticks and stick that in there so it can warm up that glue stick. And now I get to show you guys my Dollar Tree DIY, because some of you were asking after my haul how I use these in my tiered tray, because they are just hanging signs. So very easily, I was going to come and make this, but then decided I will just show you guys. So all you need to do is take this off. You can pull it and hope that the that little guy comes out. And if it doesn't come out, then you can just cut it. But this one only half came out. So I'm wiggling it back and forth here. And that's it. Then you do the same to the other one. We'll try this again. The second one has got in there real good. And the first one is the one that you kind of just wiggle it out. So if you're doing it fancy, apparently you hold your pinky out. So it's just taking a second here. There we go. Now again, these are quick and easy. How do I do it? I use the wood blocks from the Towering Tumble game. And I just happen to have one of these that one of you beauties sent me. So thank you so much. I appreciate that. That was very nice, and I do so much crafting with the gifts that you sent me. So I'm just going to open this guy right up, grab a couple of those little blocks out of here. Let's see if this has heated up yet. And all you're going to do is put glue. It's still pushing that glue in. But look at that, it's already heated. Forget about it. I love it. So then I'm going to set this guy down. I'm going to set this guy down, and I'm going to move it right to it. And why do I do it like that? Is because I want to make sure that this sits nice and straight. So now it's going to sit nice and straight, and that's what it looks like. And if it's longer, you can use 2. If you want it to sit back a little bit, then let me show you here. If you want it to sit back a little bit like that, then glue it like that. So it could be like this. So I will do that one for you. So I'm gonna put this up, and I'm gonna put it up toward the top, and I'm gonna put enough because I'm gonna angle it, right? Loving this little glue gun. So I'm gonna put that there, and I'm gonna angle it just a little bit, and then push it. I put a lot, so we've got some of the glue sticking out, but you see how it's at a little bit of an angle there now? So you just leave it like that, and now it's at that angle. So that's it, you guys. That's how easy it is. And if you have one that's straight on and you want it to be a little, you didn't do it properly, you can take them off, or you could, if it's too forward and maybe it falls forward, just add another block on top. Add more weight backwards so that it's going to be holding it, and this part weighs more than this tipping over. So that's how you could do that. So that's it. That's a quick and easy DIY. And now look at that great item for a tiered tray. Isn't that cute? So cute. I love it. All right, beauties. I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. If you wanted to grab one of these, I got it on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description if you'd like. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.